Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. In this video I'm going to show you how to disable this checkbox. So if you open this, as you can see, these are the checkbox. If you hover on any folder or we go into this PC, you can see we have these checkboxes available. So this happens when you are having a touch screen, mostly to make it easy for you to auto select multiple files at the same time. But if you are not having a touch and it's displaying here, let me show you how to disable this checkbox. Now further, let's get started. So open any folder, and then at the folder just maximize it or leave it just as on the window mode. So just click on view, and the view, we have this option here. Click on the option and then change and search options. Click on that. Now on these folder options, click on view at the top, and on these advanced settings, scroll down right as we have it here, which is hidden files and folders. And on that option, so you see this is it here. We have these are different options which you can check out, but in our case we are only going in for the checkbox. So this is use checkboxes to select items. So just uncheck that and then apply. Right, so you click on OK once again. Now if you go into any of these folder, the checkbox is no more going to be available. Right, you can see here, as it used to, there was checkboxes here, but now we have no more checkboxes. Right, so that is just how easy and simple it is to disable these checkboxes if they are not suitable for your needs. So guys, if this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next video. Peace out.